about to take the sneezing prank to a whole new level. What?
They had the pink ones for
I'm so sorry. Did not mean to do that.
Dude, you just sneezed on her, man?
Dude, oh my god, you're such an idiot.
Dude, I'm sorry. We didn't mean to sneeze on her.
Oh my god.
Are you good? You okay?
What did you guys just do? Like,
We just sneezed on you. He just sneezed on you. Are you okay?
are you guys on drugs or something? You're acting weird.
We're not on drugs. No, we're sober. Are you on drugs?
No, but you're acting really weird. Get the hell away from me.
All right. Well, jeez. I'm sorry.
Oh. Sorry, dude.
Did he just sneeze on you? I'm sorry, dude.
Sorry.
Are you okay?
It's cool.
Okay.
I've been really sick lately.
Dude.
You should stay away from people then, man. Like walk behind them or something. Keep a distance because nobody wants to get sick, you know? The French, what is it called? The friendship bracelet?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Dude, I'm sorry, dude. Sorry, man. I didn't mean to sneeze on you. I'm sorry, dude. You good?
Why don't you go back over into the section and get you some of this stuff.
So what is that stuff? Get some Neo. Alright, dude. Yeah, dude, I got a cold, so yeah.
Try that cup in your sleeve.
Got it, man.
Crazy.
Dude, man.
I didn't mean to sneeze on you, man. I just sneezed, man. You like Roscoplats?
Huh?
You like Roscoplats?
No?
Oh, dude, that's it. Okay, that's it. What'd I do?
Fucking sprayed me with something. Either you sneezed on me or something.
Sorry, dude. Sorry. I didn't mean to sneeze on you, man. Sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sneeze on you. You good?
Yeah.
Did I get it snot on you? I know, I got your back, dog. Don't beat me up. I'm a weakling.
We did too.
I'm not sorry. Yeah, whatever, dude. Oh, jeez. He almost did. I can see like he wanted to lunge toward him. Yeah. You know what I can also see about you? Because you're a charismatic person. I saw how you jump. And actually that was just on the show kind of water. That was just a little spray bottle of water. It was just a joke, man.